Hello again. Today we're going to make a simple vegetable called lettuce fried with preserved tofu. It is a dish that I learned when I was in KL when I was studying, and we like it very much, so that's how I developed this recipe. It's a very simple one, so hi, I'm Loretta Lee here, Loretta Lee Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And I share with you my food journey from Malaysia to here. So I'm trying to recreate the food from my childhood. So don't forget to click like if you like my channel and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So let's go and see how we can make this very tasty lettuce fried with preserved tofu. Let's go! For the stir-fried lettuce, you're gonna need about 300 grams of lettuce, coarse lettuce or jam lettuce. You also need tauju, which is fermented bean curd, the red color type. We will need a piece of the tauju, or nam yi, they call it in Cantonese, but we call it tauju in Hokkien. And we have 2 teaspoons of the liquid. It is a very salty preserved tofu, so we need to be careful not to add too much. Then we will cream it so that we can mix it up. Then we add some sugar, some sesame oil, to add some water to the 1 teaspoon of corn flour to thicken the sauce. We need 1 shallot and 2 cloves of garlic, which we need to chop. So let's chop the garlic. Okay, so now we'll put it in the plate or little bowl. We need to finely chop the shallot as well. So now we've washed the vegetables. You can cut it into half if you wish for serving, but I think it's small enough for my wok can fit in, and it looks nicer when it's whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just trim this off. Yeah, I'm going to trim this off so it looks nice. I'll only put in half a tablespoon of oil because I do not want to have so much oil. We'll put in the chopped garlic and shallots, and then we lightly brown it. So if it's lightly colored, then we can add in the preserved bean curd, and then we stir fry it a bit so that we can get the flavor. And then we add about 50 ml of water. And bring it to the boil. Get the vegetables. And then we coat it in the vegetable. So we coat it. So now they're sort of wilted. The reason I didn't add too much water or put the starch in yet because the lettuce actually will give up some water. So we do it until it's a bit crunchy, not too soft. Yeah? It's wilted but it's still nice. So what we do is we just set it aside for a while, then we thicken it with the cornstarch. And then we lower the flame a bit. Make sure it's all coated. Ooh, it's a bit messy. It is a bit messy because it involves a lot of moving about. It will be easier to cook if it's half, you cut it into half, but presentation wise, it's not so nice. So we switch off and then we'll plate up. I'm going to put a swirl of soy sauce. Okay, and then we pour the sauce over. I'm now going to garnish it with some homemade chili, ginger and garlic sauce, so to give it a bit of bite. And then we're going to top it up with a shake of pepper. Is the lettuce cooked in preserved soybean. I'm going to get some rice, so because this goes well with rice. And let's see. It's got a salty, sweet, umami taste because it's preserved soy. And I also added my homemade garlic, ginger and chili crisp oil. It's a bit hot. This is really, really nice. I love it. So go and try this dish out. It's really, really simple to do. It tastes slightly different from the ordinary. And it goes well with rice. So I hope you are motivated to try this recipe. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think my cooking session is interesting. So until the next meal, until the next dish, bye now. See you later. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.